Step 1. With the system running, add 2 pounds of green to clean per 15,000 gallons of water directly into the pool. Spread half of the prescribed amount along the perimeter of the pool, starting where the algae is the thickest. Then concentrate the remaining half directly over the problem areas and wait 5 minutes. Step 2. Next, add 2 pounds of Cal Hypo shock per 15,000 gallons of water directly to the pool. Apply additional shock treatments 12 and 24 hours later. Step 3. Once algae has been treated and chlorine is below 5 parts per million, add pool first aid to the pool at a rate of 1 cap per 2,000 gallons.